Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another one of these Real Littles micro craft kit. That's hard to say. It does tell you which one you're getting, so that's helpful. This one is the DIY backpack art. And then on the instructions here, it kind of gives you a summary of what it includes. So you're gonna get a backpack, some markers, a little tag. You get to color it yourself. And then there's 6 different ones. So there's a light box, bath bombs, which we've already done, a terrarium, it's hard to say, glitter globes, and canvas art. So let's go ahead and open it. So here's what it looks like. It was taped on the sides, and on the inside, this is how it's displayed. So this is the book bag. That's cute. It has like a leathery feel to it. I wonder if this is washable and you can like do it again. Recolor it? Yeah, we'll find out here in a moment. That's what it looks like on the inside. So it's a good sized bag. It would work for Monster High. It would be a little bit big, but good for like American Girl dolls and stuff like that, I think.
It worked well for our pencil one, so it's called.
Yeah, that's true. It's like the same as the Real Littles book bags that they have. So we also have some markers.
There's a purple one, a pink one, a blue one, and a yellow one.
Correct.
It says on here.
And then we have, they give us 2 carabiners.
So you can
probably one, they put it on here on the lid, and then one for the book bag. And then there is this little like leather tag that you can color as well, and probably attach it like this to the book bag. And it has like the home and then your name and all that you can fill in. And then a string, maybe that's for it. We don't know. Let's look at the instructions. Here are the instructions inside. I did read that it says the markers will stain surfaces, so maybe they won't wash off. It just feels like they would because it's kind of a slick canvas kind of feeling. But nope, it says right there that they will stain materials. So not much to do. You color it, and then we're gonna attach the little tag, how it shows, and put it all together. So let's start coloring. Can I color this one?
Sure.
Okay.
I'll color the big backpack.
Yeah, you can work on the book bag.
I'm doing this neon pink.
Should I do, I'm gonna do the BFF purple, and then I'll do the rest pink, I think.
Pink.
They glide real nicely.
I'm doing a pink unicorn horn.
This purple almost looks like pink.
Oh yeah.
It does kind of. I think this is adorable.
I've got to do the hearts pink. I wish they had a red.
Yeah. It's the only downside. It could have came with more colors, but
yeah,
they kind of gave you a color scheme to use here, so that's pretty okay.
Yeah. Yes. Like this. I love this thing on pink. Look how bright.
That's cute.
It shows.
Very easy to use. It looks like it is drying pretty quickly. You know how sometimes you can see like a wetness if you turn to the side. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Cool. I'm not going to try to rub it off because I don't want to ruin it, but yeah. I think I'm going to do the sides purple too.
Ooh, okay.
Give it some dimension. Oop, and I did not stay in the lines.
I'm trying not to get it out of the lines.
That's okay.
Trying to get it out.
What color should I make this heart? Should I do blue?
Oh yeah. I just got the pink.
This is kind of fun.
Yeah.
So the blue is very light.
Blue.
Oh, I'll be done in just a second.
Yeah, that's.
There you go. That's adorable. Now I can use your pink to fill in the rest of this. I'll probably leave the other side blank unless she wants to try to write her name on it. Because there's a spot. It's like a luggage tag where you can put your name on it. But for the sake of not making you
Mom, when you're done
watch us do this for 20 minutes.
Help me do my backpack. When
Okay.
you're done.
I will come back and show you the final product. Okay, here's my luggage tag. It dried like literally as you're doing it, so that's awesome. I don't think there would be any smearing with that. So let's put this through. It shows just putting it through here.
Oh, it's so hard.
It's hard.
There's so much coloring
like this, and then I think you just go like this. There you go.
I think this might take an hour.
So here's about as finished as it's gonna get for now. She kind of got tired of coloring. Did a pretty good job though for a 6-year-old. I had my 11-year-old did a couple of them. I did a couple of them. The only challenge is some of the designs go in the creases like that, so you kind of have to use your finger to push them up so you can get to them. Otherwise you're coloring on the other side like that. But yeah, they dry really quickly, easy to do. I think it's appropriate for 6-year-old and up. And let's put this little tag on. Should go on the same way we did it when we attached it. Boop, like that. And then if you want, you can add a carabiner, since they did give us 2 of them. Just like that. Adorable. If you want to see me do more of these micro craft kits, then leave me a comment, let me know. And if you want to see the bath bomb one that we made already, check out my channel. Bye guys.